Let's talk about too many kids getting suspended and what you can do about it. Suspension from school is a high-level consequence. It's usually over fighting or paraphernalia. It's something like this, something that's very high-end. When we depend on suspension for everything, it becomes a problem. But even at higher level behaviors like fighting, being in a place you're not supposed to be, whatever you're suspending a child for or a child is getting suspended for, we've got to remember that we can suspend them. We can add days on. So let's say, oh my gosh, you did this 3 times, you get 1 day. You did this 5 times, you get 2 days. We can do that forever, but they're still going to come back to school with no skills or the same skills that they had that got them suspended in the first place. The only way we're going to really curb that is to make sure there's some sort of intervention that happens when you return. Kids should not be coming back from a suspension and just going right into their day. There should be a re-entry meeting, decide where the skill level is lacking and how we're going to provide intervention. Because without intervention, it's going to continue. And I see the same kids get suspended all the time. It's really hard to get them back when that becomes a pattern. So ask yourself, what are we doing differently when the behavior is so high that they have to be suspended? What are we doing differently when they return? Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.